Do you keep your guns with your peanut butter? Is your cat entitled? Are you getting a little too friendly with your chickens? Do you have a tractor-sized space where you don't currently have a tractor? Hi, my name is Roger Welsh, and this is my book, Old Tractors and the Men Who Love Them, How to Keep Your Tractors Happy and Your Family Running. In my book, Old Tractors and the Men Who Love Them, you can learn things such as vocabulary, words like gadgets, plastic doodads, and what to do with the gooey gasket. More importantly, you can learn how to take care of tractors like my sweet old Alice, and learn how to buy tractors without your wife knowing.
Did he buy another tractor? I say, come and eat your dinner. He spends all day with Alice. He says, woman, I'm with Alice. Don't call me now. It's been a good marriage.
This here's Alice. Here's a review of my book written by a good friend, John Carter. We all knew sooner or later that Roger would write a book about religion. Now that's poetry. It's supper time.
Yeah, I read Old Tractors and the Men Who Love Them. Of course, I met Roger a couple years ago when he came onto my wilderness looking for a watering hole. There's nothing here but me and my sheep, who I live off of. Of course, he became my best friend, the only friend I've ever had. And this, the best book I've ever read if I knew how to read. The Tender Rose.
Read about all this and more in my book, Old Tractors and the Men Who Love Them. How to keep your tractors happy and your family running.